So, I've got a story here today called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-patter-toe creep crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. See that little mouse? In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank, so he lights some twigs with a small, hot spark. He's building a little fire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." They pop white corn and they brew black tea. They're having some snacks in his den. Mouse sips, wee sips. Hare burps, big bip burps. But the bear snores on. Badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy up, cozy down, and dig in." Oh, they're going to share a snack. They nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch, and the bear snores on. A gopher and mole tunnel up through the floor when a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the big bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear... what do you think is going to happen with Bear? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He growls and he snarls and the bear roars and rumbles. He jumps and he stomps and he growls and he grumbles. Do you think Bear's happy? I don't think so. "You stuck in my lair. You've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." He whimpers, he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Look at that little mouse. Bear gulps, he gobbles, he sighs with delight. He spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on the crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Look at all those animals. Now they're sleeping and Bear's wide awake. I hope you enjoyed our story, Bear Snores On, by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman.